Maggie Wells with Live in Kentucky Homes team, and I want to show you my newest listing at 102 Sundrop. This is a 3-bed, 2.5 bath on a little bit over 1,800 square feet on a large, desirable corner lot in Sutton Place, and it's only 4 minutes from Lemon Mill Elementary, so come check it out.
you.